Hey guys, this is your boy Ritik Ramaya. I'm bringing you back a new video today because I got a lot of love and lot of likes and shares on my previous video of how to open a Forex account within 3 minutes. All of you already opened the account, I hope, and today I'm gonna bring back another video for you which is consists of best brokers in the Forex industry. So basically I'm gonna show you the brokers I personally used to trade, and they are considered to be very trustable and have very low spreads overall. So let me take you on a journey on how and what brokers I use. The first and foremost broker is FBS. FBS is a very reliable broker. It offers 3 types of accounts, which are standard, cent and micro. I always recommend you guys to go with the standard account as it's easier to trade and there's very minimum restrictions on that particular account. For considering the cent account, a cent account is basically if you deposit $1, you'll be having 100 in your account, but in fact once you trade and make a profit, it will be converted to cents. So 1 cent is equal to 100, $1 is equal to 100 cents, sorry, $1 is equal to 100 cents. I hope you got me. And the micro account is whereby you get an initial deposit of $5, which is for small traders. But however, if you want to start trading, I recommend you guys to go with standard account. And yeah, so here we go. In FBS, the withdrawal takes 5 to 6 days through bank, and it takes 15 minutes through Skrill. Skrill is basically an online wallet which anyone can create within like 2 to 3 minutes. And the spreads are quite low for currency pairs but are high for Nasdaq. I mean the stock trade. The stock trade means the US 100, US Nasdaq is very high. I don't recommend you FBS for Nasdaq, but for currency pairs I always recommend you. And the other thing about FBS is it's easy platform, means it's user friendly. You can create an account within 2 to 3 minutes and you'll be set to go. And it works for both MT4 and MT5, but however I recommend MT4 personally as I use it. And the leverage is reasonable in all the 3 brokers I'm gonna show you. 1 to 500 is the optimum leverage you guys must choose when trading. The next broker I'm gonna show you guys is XM. XM has very low spreads in the sense that it's one of the best brokers ever in Africa. So if you guys want to go for very low spreads, then I would recommend to you this broker. The benefits of this broker are the withdrawals take 4 to 5 days through a bank and 15 minutes through Skrill. The spreads as well are very low for Nasdaq and gold. So gold lovers out there and Nasdaq lovers, XM is an optimum broker for you to trade, and easy platform as well as MT4 plus MT5, and the leverage is the same thing. We go to the next broker, which is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is one of the leading brokers in Africa. It has a lot of benefits and it's easier as well to register on this broker. Another thing about FBS is it's very easy to use, and the registration takes about 10 minutes to max. The withdrawals take 5 to 6 days and 15 minutes through Skrill. I guess all withdrawals through Skrill are 10 to 15 minutes depending on countries, but Skrill is literally the fastest way. And the spreads are quite low for Nasdaq and gold again, but a bit high in currency pairs. But for you currency pairs as well as Nasdaq traders, I recommend to you Hot Forex, as well as it has easy platforms and the fastest registrations, and works for MT4 and MT5. So this was my video for the best brokers I use. So this was more about myself. I used to trade with these brokers. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe to the channel. As you know, the income earned from this channel goes to charity. So please guys, like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any doubts. You got my Instagram handles, you got my WhatsApp handles, and my email address. So you can contact me anytime. I'll be glad to answer all your queries. This is your boy Ritik Ramaya, Forexboy. Stay tuned. Bye bye.